Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this quick tutorial I will show you how to change the language in your Gmail account. Perfect if you are more comfortable in another language or just want to try something new. So let's get started. First, sign into your Gmail account on your desktop computer. Then in the top right corner, click the gear icon, that's your settings. From the drop down, select see all settings to access the full menu. Then under the general tab, locate the language section at the top. Click on the current language and a drop down list will appear. Scroll and choose the language you want. You might choose English or French depending on your region of origin. Also, once you have selected the language, scroll down to the bottom and click Save Changes. Remember that if you skip this step, Gmail won't apply the new language. So once saved, Gmail will refresh and the entire interface will now display in your selected language, from menus to inbox options. And that's it guys. You have just customized your Gmail to match your language preference in under 2 minutes. If you found the guide helpful, remember to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.